Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We are now going to go through what we've just unboxed from this pallet. We're going to show you each and every item, where we're going to sell them. If you're interested in any of these, feel free to email me. If it's the weekend, I always get back to you first thing Monday morning. But this is the top half of this massively huge pallet. It was a box damage pallet, and so those always make me a little nervous. We always kind of have onesies, twosies of everything. We don't usually have a lot of duplicates. So we're going to go ahead and go through everything. I'm going to show you exactly how much we're going to charge for everything and where we're going to list it. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, off we go. Let's see what's it. Everything costs. So we've got a black picture frame. We actually opened it up and looked at it. It's in good condition. $10 on the fire sale. Then we have a cake mold, so you can make things look like little Twinkies.
Very fancy. Made in Italy.
Awesome. $15 on the fire sale. Then we have a...
These are ignition
coils. 6-pack for a Nissan Pathfinder. $40 on eBay. Then we have this here is $15. It's a wind chime. Very beautiful wind chime. And then this one here is Golden Baroque crown. This was the really fancy crown. $15 for that. And it's going to be on the fire sale. And then we have a phone case for a Galaxy S10. $5 on the fire sale. Like I said, if you're interested in any of these items, you can always contact me. Here is a fire sale pair of flip-flops for $20. Size 9.
Size 9 or 9.5?
Let me look, just to be sure.
It's a box right there.
This is a size 9.
Size 9?
Nice, size 9, yep. All right, $15 for these little tiny bottles. They're square. Then this 6-drawer organizer, $10 for that on the fire sale. Then we've got this awesome, this is basically what it is, a sunshade. $79, and that's even used. We're going to send it into Amazon, probably put it in a different box.
Right, I don't think it's used.
Oh, but we're going to list it as used because of the box opening.
Correct.
Yes, it is a brand new item. So if you're interested in that.
It looks to me like the box itself got squished or crunched for some reason or another.
Forklift, probably.
Yeah.
Then we have this is basically a... like a gimbal, similar to a gimbal. $10 on the fire sale. It stabilizes your camera. Then we have a faux sheepskin rug, $25. Then we have our keto books there, $25 for the whole set. Then we have a legitimate chandelier, $20. And then our magical unicorn scent. See, you can put the chandelier inside the magical unicorn tent, and then you have Princess Land. $20 on the fire sale.
In really great shape.
Yeah. And then next table, this is a clear backpack, $10. The bag is all kind of dirty, but the backpack is clean. And then we have, this is a sunglass holder, $8. We're going to send that into Amazon. Then this one here is a antique brass round ball doorknobs, $20 on the fire sale. Then we have a flat letterboard with letters, $10 for the fire sale. And then this is...
knee compression
sock for $10. And then we have some handkerchiefs for $25.
These are going I think it's a package of 15. They're going for quite a bit, actually.
So we're going to send that to Amazon for sure. Then we've got some cotton panties for the fire sale. What size are they?
Small.
Thank you. And then this little game, this is the dinosaur set.
There's 12 dinosaurs in there.
Yep.
You get the whole box. The box got crunched itself again a little bit, but all of the dinosaurs are in there and they're individually wrapped.
Yep, $15 on fire sale. These are cool. These are die-cast kind of fire station toys. $10 per box. We have a bunch of them.
They're actually going for like $25 on Amazon. So there's no way I could feel right to do that, because all the boxes have got serious wear and tear on them.
Yeah, but the toys are good.
Toys are fine.
And then we've got, for $10, we've got this.
It's a clock. It's a yellow clock.
Okay.
Kitchen clock.
And then we have this for $15.
Yep.
On the fire sale. And then this is a grill brush for $10, really fancy one. Then we have another barbecue kit right next to it.
Yep. This is a 6-piece set, but there only came with 5 pieces. So either I'm going to find the other piece in that box, or that's why it was returned. And then you want to open that box?
Oh yeah. This is a yoga meditation pillow. I think we opened it in the last video. So that's going to be on the fire sale.
When you're sitting and doing different yoga poses and whatnot.
Yep, so that the floor is not so hard.
Yep. I'm big into yoga.
Mm-hmm. Then we have a desk lamp for $10 for the fire sale. And then for $5, we've got this set of hangers, kids hangers. Then we've got some heat-resistant oven mitts for $10 for the fire sale. Really nice ones. Reinforced on the thumb. This is where I always burn myself. When your oven mitts get wet, they will burn right through the oven mitt. So FYI, don't get your oven mitts wet. Fire sale. This is a lighted coffee cup. I thought it's amazing. All right, and it looks like, is this just the holder, or is this actually the tumbler? No, it comes with, for your 30-ounce tumbler. Okay. Then we've got the Big Hero 6 robot.
Those are very expensive on Amazon. They're $190 brand new. Now, this is brand new, but it has box damage, so that will drop its price. So on eBay, we're looking at sometimes brand new on eBay is closer to the 120 mark, but I did find one used in box that sold for 60, so we're going to price ours for 40.
Awesome. Then this is going to Amazon. It's a brand new, all 6 of the Star Wars movies, $61 after fees. Then we have this one. Normally we don't sell anything expired, but this is actually a really nice gift set of different olive oils. So you've got lemon, chili, garlic, and basil. And it's very, very expensive. And so we decided to just lower the price dramatically and see if anybody wanted it. So we'll definitely divulge that it's expired, but $20, and I think it expired just this summer.
Yeah, June of 2020.
Yep, so $20 for all 4 of those bottles. And if you've ever bought olive oil, you know it's expensive. Oh, I almost forgot this. Here we have the Girl Princess playset. How about the one for the boys? Here's a rocket ship play tent. And then last thing on this table is this cool wire wine glass to keep various different things inside and to decorate wherever you wanted to put that. So that's what's on this table. We're going to wander on over. There's our pallet again. Still all the stuff still to go through. And then we're going to wander on over to this table. We've got this hummingbird. I think it's a outdoor solar stake light. You got 2 of them in there for $20. Cool hummingbird piece. Then Amazon, this is a book, actually, a manual. $42 for that. Then this is kind of an interesting piece.
This is really interesting. This company, let me see if I can pull it up there. This company takes actually 100-year-old dictionaries, and it's kind of an art style. Then they take and they put, like you see there, the Batman emblem on there. That's actually printed on the 100-year-old dictionary. And this actually has 3. It comes with a Batman, it comes with Superman, and there's Wonder Woman that is in between those 2. So neat. You can go online and check them all out. There's all kinds of different ones. Kind of a neat, what do you get somebody for Christmas or whatnot? And we have all 3 of them will be for $15 total for the whole thing.
Then for $10, you get this cool wallet. Kind of change purse thing. Really sharp looking one. Really fancy. That must be real leather, I think.
Yeah, it feels really nice.
Yep.
And that's the brand. I don't know if that's a good brand or not, but that's the
$10.
brand.
And then this is a crush box, but it's a nice lit up garage light.
Yeah, the light is fine. It would have been a lot more, but with that crush box, I thought we'd better just go with 10.
Mm-hmm. Then we have a responsibility chart for kids. So you can kind of, it's like a chore chart, basically.
If you use the chart, your children instantly become responsible.
At the age of 3.
At the age of 3.
$15 for that. Then we've got, for $10, what is in this box? I can't remember. Oh, this is a Xbox controller for $10.
It's an off-brand.
Yep. Then we have this nice wallet that comes with a phone holder, and you can put the phone on the inside or the outside, and it does have a magnetic case on the inside. $10 for that. And then these are cool little chicken feed bowls, 24 of them for $20 on the fire sale. forehead and ear thermometer, which is handy these days, $15. Big Ziploc bags to hold everything, $10 for those. These were surprising. Fire sale, $70, but these are really nice Nikes. Look at those.
Nothing wrong with the shoes at all, but the box definitely had damage.
Yeah, and they are a size 9.5.
Really
nine
nice
and a
shoes.
pair of Nikes. Then we have our cool tactical stocking. That would be an amazing stocking for someone.
Yep.
Anyway, then we have this awesome, these are a bunch of just kind of party masks, different animals.
Yep.
$15
I think it's a
on
whole
the fire
barnyard
sale.
collection. It has just about every barnyard animal you could think of.
Mm-hmm.
$15.
And then inside this tote are various things that we're going to combine with some fire sale bundles. And so we guesstimate that we're going to make about $50 on this, all these items put together once we have them bundled with other fun things. So $50 for that. So
we have a trash pile that's over here.
So we are not going to sell any of that. There's some stuff on that blanket, and then other things are expired and things.
There's about 2 food items that are expired. There's a couple lingerie pieces that I'm not sure if they were used or weren't used, but I don't think we would go for that there. And there's a, what is it?
It's an air filter.
Air filter's been really, it's been too damaged.
Yep.
To do anything with, so, yep.
All right, so that is all of the items that we're going to add everything up and tell you what our totals are for all of the profit for this top half of the pallet. All right, we've got everything added up. With the items we're sending to eBay, we're going to make about $40. Amazon, after fees, we're going to make about $215. And fire sale will make $760 on the fire sale. And as you can see, we didn't charge a lot for the fire sale items. So that brings our total to $1,015. And we're only through partially the top half. And so we definitely are going to make our money back on this pallet. I'm excited to see what's in the bottom, and maybe we can find complete sets of things that we're only got a few things like the grill set and all that. But $1,015 so far on this pallet, and so we will continue to keep going through this pallet, and we'll show you the process, and then we'll have a total for the end of all of this pallet at the end of the last video. So hopefully it's been fun to see exactly where we're selling everything, how much we're selling it for, and how much profit we're at so far. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time I put a video out. Make sure you hit thumbs up if you do like this video, and tell others about this video if you find it interesting yourself. If you haven't been to hookedonpickin.com, we've got tons of new stuff on the store lately, so go check it out and see what you can buy for Christmas time.